Hey ho! Guess what? Nothing went as planned this morning, so now I'm off to town to accomplish those things I had made a video about earlier. If you're a Patreon, then you know that. But listen, I want to talk to you briefly about some of the stuff that is going on that we need to be aware of. First and foremost, if you don't have to do it, stop using your credit card. We all have them. We all use them. I just bought some crap off Amazon 20 minutes ago using the Amazon credit card. But I did that so I got some points, and then tomorrow I'll go and I'll put that money back on the card. And yeah, that's what'll happen. In 2008, when the crash came and went, people kind of went crazy. And if you know anything about prepping, that's when prepping really started. People are like, I've been prepping for 50 years. It's like, I believe you, but no one really cared until about 2008. Prior to that, that was like Cuban Missile Crisis, Cold War stuff in the 80s, and then it just lulled out. And now it's back. Now it's back with a passion, and people are buying shit off Amazon like their lives depend on it. All I will do is caution you, because if it's not like the banking system's going to crash and forget all willy-nilly. Oh, I forgot about all those thousands of dollars that you owe us. Oh, yes, I'm so sorry. That is not what is going to ever happen. It's not what's going to happen. What's even scarier is when they start to bring in the CBDCs, that will require a digital identity. How else would they identify who you are to give you, okay, fly, get out? How else will they be able to identify you and verify that money is moving appropriately and in your name and to your accounts? Yeah, think about it. Then people are talking about social credit scores. I don't understand why that always gets injected by, unfortunately, mostly the tinfoil hat people. Now, is it a possibility? Yes. Is it being done? Yes, it's being done in China. Yes, are they trying it in Australia? Yeah. So if you guys didn't know this, Australia's 100% socialist. They just happen to be our allies. But they are flat out socialists. Are they thinking about doing it in Great Britain and in Germany? Well, yeah, they're already talking. Yeah, let's do that. It'd be so cool. It'd be so fun. Yeah. So, it would only take them half a second. It would only take them half a second to go, well, let's just go ahead and transfer all that debt over to us. You know, maybe they come up with a program where you can transfer your debt interest-free over to your CBDCs. Yeah, let that one sink in for a little bit. Once again, credit cards are great. The holidays are here. Spending money you don't have is not smart. But that's the economy that we live in with our fiat currency. Be adults about it. Teach your kids to be adults about it. Do the right thing. Don't do stupid things. Purchase responsibly. Have a plan to use those cards or card, and then to quickly pay that card off. All right, I think that's all I want to say. I'm still working on those other 3 or 4 different videos that apparently my girlfriend has taken over the kitchen, and now I can't get anything done. I guess I'll have to wait. It's the holidays. But if you like what I'm doing, yeah, there's a link. There's some link down there. Just go ahead and find that and peruse around my link tree and see if there's something that you like. I either own it, use it, or have reviewed it. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.